Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here, and no matter where you are, no matter what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I just went to the Family Dollar by my house, and they didn't have any peanut M&Ms, so I'm always cordial to the manager of the store. He said, how are you doing today? I said, I'm disappointed there's no peanut M&Ms. And he just bust out laughing. I don't know. This has been going on for some months now, but I guess it's still very surprising. It's like, last year or the year before, whichever, we were dealing with no Lysol, no wipes, and, stuff like that. Now, there's no peanut M&Ms. I hardly ever want candy, but when I'm in the mood for it, it's very surprising. When I'm in the mood for anything, it's just very surprising to see how low the inventory is in some of these stores. But I just got a kick out of that. That tickled both of us. So I decided to share. So now I'm at a Circle K, and hopefully they have my peanut M&Ms. And then life will be good. Love y'all. Later.